From a very basic standpoint, you can understand the impetus behind these tariffs. You want to bolster U.S. manufacturing. You want to reduce our reliance on, foreign supply chain issues. I mean, we certainly saw our vulnerability during COVID. I've also talked about this even pre-COVID on how reliant we are on foreign countries for our pharmaceuticals, our medical supplies. The reality is 69% of all basic medical supplies comes from outside of the United States, Mexico and China being big exporters. And so from the short term, I worry about what is this going to do for the healthcare industry? Are we going to see higher prices? Are we going to see decreased access to masks, gloves, medical equipment? China is already putting on export controls on some rare earth minerals that we use in nuclear imaging. They've already said they're going to do that. And 40% of all of our generic medications comes out of India. Now, I know that the president has already said that there's a carve-out right now for the pharmaceuticals, but a lot of the ingredients that go into the pharmaceuticals, as well as go into the packaging and manufacturing of the pharmaceuticals, are not part of that carve-out. And while the long-term goal is to get this manufacturing here in the United States, that's wonderful. Will we still have the low prices that are offered from India? Those generic pharmaceuticals are saving trillions of dollars to U.S. taxpayers for cheaper drugs. So it has to be more than just tariffs on this. We have to make sure that the supply is there, and we have to make sure it's affordable. And maybe this comes in the form of expanding HSAs, giving tax credits for patients when it comes to their drugs, and continuing the conversation about making drugs affordable.
Well, and your point about the products,